So this is some, in other words, although from one angle of vision, it seems odd to compare the gopis to elephants. But from the scriptures we find that this is considered a great praise and a great glorification. Actually, often we see in the description of Radharani and Krishna and their loving pastimes that this analogy of elephants is used, and the words which mean elephant. There's one word, it's a very interesting word that has different meanings, it's called Padmini. So the word elephant, there's one word Padmini. Padmini means elephant, but Padmini also means lotus flowers. And Padmini also means lotus-like girls, beautiful lotus faces. So in Govinda Lilamrita, we find this play on words, Padmini, is very prevalent. So the last point here, I was speaking about the gopis are experiencing Lila Anubhav. Anubhav is what we want. Anubhav means experience. Like we say experience. So sometimes, or realization, oftentimes the word is used gyan or vigyan. But gyan actually means knowledge, and vigyan means science. So when one experiences Krishna, oftentimes you'll meet a sadhu or a saintly person, he'll say, you're doing bhakti bhajan, you're chanting Mahamantra, you're a sadhu, or you're a bhakta. What is your anubhav? What have you experienced of Krishna? Have you had spurti of Krishna? Have you had vision of Krishna? Have you had darshan of Krishna? What is your experience? So experience means anubhav. So this is lila anubhav. So this point I'm mentioning briefly, because Jiva Goswami Pad mentions in Priti Sandarbha 324 and 325, he says here in this chapter, the Rasa Lila, chapter 30, the gopis search for Krishna, Rasa Krita Krishna Nivesana. He says that the Braja gopis are entering a deep state of Lila Anubhav. Lila Anubhav. In other words, Anubhav means experience, perceiving, feeling, seeing, and Lila means the pastimes. So in chapter 30, Krishna is not there, he's left them. He's antardiyate, he's disappeared. So now the gopis so much enter into Krishna's mood and form, they reenact his leelas. The gopis perform Putana Mardan, the killing of Putana, the killing of Bakasura, and Makanchura. Only gopis are doing. Like one gopi, she enacts the leela Shakat Asura. Shakat means bail gadi. Shakat means cart. So one gopi goes like this. She's kneeling on the ground, she's kneeling. And then underneath her, one gopi lies. One gopi lies on the ground underneath this gopi. And then she kicks her legs up, and the gopi flies off like this. Because this is Shakat Asura Lila of Krishna. When he was only 4 months old. This Lila, Shakat Asura Lila, happened in Uttani Ekadasi. It's Chaturmasya Samapt, Uttan Ekadasi. Uttan means Utto. Utto means get up. So the baby's on the belly, beginning on the belly. So the baby, because I never had a younger brother. So when the baby is first born, Krishna is born in September. So at 3 months later, on Uttani Ekadasi, there was a big utsav. Mother Yashoda organized a big utsav. What is the utsav? Krishna rolling over. Parshva or whatever, I don't know. Parivartan. Parivartan. Krishna is like this, right, on the belly. So little Gopal, ek mahina, do mahina, teen mahina, September, August, September 1 month, and October, then November. Uttanikadasi is coming. Kartik Shesh Uttanikadasi. Uttanikadasi, Krishna is 3.5 months old. And usually babies around 3.5 months, they come over, right? So then, when Krishna rolled over on his back, then, Krishna's like, this is nice. Big utsav. So Mother Yashoda, Nanda Baba, Sab Vrajavasiyon said, come, celebrate. It's a utsav, it's a festival when a baby rolls over. So then everyone's coming, and then Mother Yashoda brought Krishna outside. And also, Uttanikadasi is the first time the baby comes out of the house. Or teen maina, vacha gar bitar, bar nigaya. So he came out of the house, and they, under the shakat, Belgadi, Nietzsche, Yashoda put one sari, like Julan. And then Krishna's like this. Not on the belly, he's like this. And then this asur entered this shakat, this Belgadi, mystic city. And then Krishna, doom! This is shakat. So this is Uttanikadasi. And Kartik minus Shesh, Uttan. This was the Lila, the Titi. Anyway, so the gopis, this Lila Anubhav means they're experiencing in their minds, in their hearts, in their bodies, it's real for them. They're experiencing Krishna's, they're completely identifying with Krishna, and then physically, mentally, and emotionally, they imitate Krishna's activities. And each gopi is fully convinced and fully believes, I am Krishna. Just see how I walk, see how I move, see how I talk. So this we will hear about in chapter 30.